Once upon a time, in the enchanting kingdom of Solaria, there lived a princess named Bella. She was not only known for her radiant beauty, but also for her kind heart and unyielding curiosity. With her shimmering golden hair, sparkling blue eyes, and a smile that could light up the darkest night, Bella was beloved by all. But what made Bella truly unique was her love for adventure and mysteries. While most princesses enjoyed lavish balls and royal banquets, Bella spent her time exploring the lush forests and vibrant meadows surrounding the palace. One fine morning, as the sun painted the sky in hues of gold and pink, Bella decided to embark on a new adventure. Armed with her leather satchel, filled with her sketchbook and a few snacks, she ventured into the dense, uncharted woods on the edge of the kingdom. The Golden Key. As Bella wandered deeper into the woods, she stumbled upon an old, twisted oak tree. Something peculiar caught her eye. A glimmering golden key was hanging from one of its branches. Curious, she reached out and carefully unhooked it. The key was small and intricately designed, with tiny engravings of flowers and vines. What could this open? Bella wondered aloud. As if in answer, a gentle breeze swirled around her, carrying with it the faint sound of birds singing an unfamiliar melody. Intrigued, she decided to follow the sound. The hidden door. After walking for hours, Bella came across a tall hedge covered in vibrant blossoms of every imaginable color. Hidden within the hedge was a wooden door, partially concealed by ivy. The door had an ornate keyhole that seemed to match her golden key perfectly. "This must be it," Bella exclaimed, her heart racing with excitement. She inserted the key, and with a soft click, the door creaked open. Beyond it lay the most magical garden Bella had ever seen. The secret garden. The garden was alive with enchantment. Flowers of every shade swayed gently, as if they were dancing to the melody of the wind. Trees bore fruits that glowed softly in the sunlight, and a crystal-clear stream meandered through the garden, its water sparkling like diamonds. But what truly mesmerized Bella were the animals. Rabbits with silvery fur, butterflies with rainbow wings, and birds that sang the sweetest tunes fluttered about. "Welcome, Princess Bella," a soft voice said. Bella turned and saw a tiny fairy, with wings like spun glass hovering before her. "I am Lila, the guardian of the secret garden," the fairy said. "Only those with a pure heart can find their way here." The enchanted mission. Lila explained that the garden was magical, and its existence depended on the harmony of nature. However, a dark spell had been cast on a sacred tree at the center of the garden, causing it to wither. "If the tree dies, the magic of the garden will fade," Lila said, her voice tinged with sorrow. Moved by the fairy's plight, Bella vowed to help. "What must I do?" she asked. Lila handed Bella a small vial filled with shimmering golden liquid. "This is the elixir of life," Lila explained. "You must pour it into the roots of the sacred tree. But beware, the journey to the tree is fraught with challenges. The trials of courage." Bella set off on her mission, guided by Lila's instructions. The path to the sacred tree was far from easy. First, Bella encountered a river guarded by a massive serpent. The serpent hissed menacingly, blocking her path. "Why do you trespass in my domain?" it demanded. Bella took a deep breath and replied, "I mean no harm. I am here to save the garden and its magic." Impressed by her honesty, the serpent allowed her to cross, creating a bridge with its coiled body. Next, Bella faced a forest of thorns. Each step was treacherous, as the thorns seemed to grow sharper and more entangled. But Bella remembered the garden's beauty and pressed on, using her courage and determination to find a way through. The sacred tree. At last, Bella reached the sacred tree. It stood in a clearing, its once majestic branches now drooping and lifeless. The ground around it was dry and cracked. Bella knelt by the tree and poured the elixir of life onto its roots. For a moment, nothing happened. Then, a soft golden glow began to spread from the roots to the branches. Leaves sprouted anew, and vibrant blossoms unfurled. The tree stood tall and magnificent once more. The garden's revival. With the sacred tree restored, the entire garden seemed to come alive with renewed energy. The flowers bloomed brighter, the stream flowed stronger, and the animals danced with joy. Lila appeared, her face glowing with gratitude. "You have saved the garden, Princess Bella," she said. "As a token of our thanks, the garden's magic will always be with you." She handed Bella a small, heart-shaped locket. "Whenever you wear this, you'll carry the magic of the garden with you," Lila said. The return home. Bella bid farewell to the garden and its magical inhabitants, promising to visit again. When she returned to the palace, she shared her adventure with her family and friends, inspiring them to appreciate the beauty of nature and the importance of kindness and courage. From that day on, Bella wore the locket close to her heart, a constant reminder of the magical garden and the lessons it had taught her. And so, Princess Bella continued to reign with wisdom and love, her story becoming a cherished legend in the kingdom of Solaria.